So this is how you can make a game pass on Roblox. It's actually quite simple. What you're going to want to do is tap on create. Once you do, tap on start creating, and then it's going to check for Roblox Studio. So make sure you have Roblox Studio and then open it up. Now this will be just a simple thing. You won't really have to do much, just simply open up your Roblox Studio, and once you do, you will be able to create a Game Pass afterwards. After you create your Roblox Studio or after you open it up, all you have to do is simply go to the dashboard and then tap on Creations. Once you tap on Creations, you're going to want to tap on the three dots, and now what you're going to want to do is tap on Open in New tab. This will basically show you the overview of your place, the place that you just created. So, everyone actually has their own place on Roblox, they have their own game, and if you want to make a game pass, what you're going to want to do is now that we're here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find passes. What you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find monetization, and under that, you're going to want to look for passes. Tap on it and then tap on create a pass. It's going to provide you with a default image unless you change it or unless you add a new image. Like, for example, if this game pass is for buying a sword, like in your game, if you are making a game, you're going to want to put a sword picture over there, and now simply name this as sword, and you could even add a description. I'm gonna put sword like so, and now tap on create pass. After you create a pass, it should load in a bit, and once it does, what you're gonna want to do is simply tap on it and then tap on sales, and now make it item for sale. That is if you want to sell it. So just put in the price of the Robux that you want to sell it as. If you sell it for 100, you're only going to get 70 Robux because of the 70% creator earnings. There is a 30% tax that Roblox takes, so every purchase, they take 30% from you. So let's say you sold something for 10,000, you will only be receiving 7,000 of your total earnings. So yeah, that is how you can create a pass on Roblox. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.